Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt language for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application and then click on your earbuds in the device list. After that, just scroll down and you need to find voice prompt settings. Then tap on it and now select the language what you wanna use and just tap on it. Let's say I prefer Japanese, so just tap on it and then click continue. Now don't use your earbuds until this update is finished and I will speed up it for you. So it almost finished, and after that it just reboot your earbuds and also you will hear a voice prompt in your selected language. And I just hear that voice prompt is changed, so we almost finish. Okay, so with this application sometimes it has some trouble. As you can see, it's still updating, but I already hear a voice prompt. So in this situation, if you have the same as I am, just reopen the application and after that check is it finished, is this language is finished, because it should finish after you hear a voice prompt and you just wait a few seconds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.